Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Dead as Disco game crashing, crashes to desktop, crashing at startup or freezing problem on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. The first fix, simply restart Steam or restart your PC. So simply click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam. Then relaunch Steam and then relaunch Dead as Disco game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then just restart your PC. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 2, modify game launch options. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Dead as Disco game, click on properties. Now in the launch options, first type -dx11, close the tab and then launch the game and check. This -dx11 has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If not, then again go to the game properties. This time type -dx12, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties and this time type -windowed, close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the game properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3 is to delete modes folder. Now if you have any modes or if running any modes, then simply delete the modes folder and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now here take a note, if you want, you can keep the backup of the modes folder to desktop first before deleting it. Fix 4 is to run the game from the game installation folder or run the game as an administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Dead as Disco game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Now first double click this Pagoda exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select run as administrator and then check. If that doesn't work, then open the Pagoda folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Now first double click this Win64 shipping exe file and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game from the game installation folder from here itself and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then also check mark run this program in compatibility mode for from the drop down select Windows 8, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then from the drop down here select Windows 7, hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then check mark disable full screen optimization option as well, then hit on apply, OK, and launch the game and check. Now if it's still not working, then untick all these three boxes, simply uncheck all these three boxes, then hit on apply, OK, and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 5 is to update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. So I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website. And once you're on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here. Then select the Windows operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run it and install it. And after updating your graphic card driver, just restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6, Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search, type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Then click on add an allowed app. Then click on browse all apps. And then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the Dead as Disco game folder. Then select this Pagoda exe file and then click on open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all apps, open the Pagoda folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select the Pagoda Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open to add it to the list. Now go back click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse, and then again browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the dead as disco game folder, select Pagoda exe file, click open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on allow another app, click on browse, open the Pagoda folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select this Pagoda Win64 shipping exe file and then click on open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked marked and then click on OK to save changes. Then go ahead, launch the game and check. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus program such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ECT, then allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well and then launch the game and check. Or you can simply disable your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program after playing the game. Fix 7 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on dead as disco game, then click on properties, then go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Click on add desktop app and then browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files x86 folder, open Steam folder, open Steam apps folder, open common folder, open the dead as disco game folder, open the Pagoda folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select Pagoda Win64 shipping exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it in the list. Here it is, expand it and next to GPU preference, select high performance. And then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it. Next click on x86 version. Again if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install. So either repair it or install it, and then just restart your PC once again. And after your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 10 is to delete the dead as disco saved game folder. Now please take a note, you will lose all the save game progress and save settings, and you will have to start from the scratch. So if you want to keep the backup, then you can keep the backup of this folder to desktop first. So here how to delete the dead as disco saved game folder. So open File Explorer, open C drive, open users folder, open your username folder, open app data folder. Now if you don't see app data folder over here, then click on this view. So check mark hidden items, then open the app data folder, then open the local folder, and here look for the Pagoda folder. Here it is. First right click it and then copy it and then go to desktop and paste it to keep the backup of this folder. Now after keeping the backup, just right click it and then select delete to delete it, and then go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 11 is to disable overlay. Disable game overlay in Steam. So open Steam, go to library, right click on dead as disco game, select properties. Now in the general tab you will see this option, enable the Steam overlay while in game. Just toggle it off and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then enable it and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Disable Discord overlay. If you have installed Discord on your PC, then disable Discord overlay. Disable NVIDIA overlay. Open NVIDIA GeForce Experience settings, general, turn off in-game overlay. Similarly, disable overlay in all apps or close all other overlay apps such as GeForce Experience, NVIDIA Shadowplay overlay, AMD overlay, and then launch the game and check. Fix 12 is to close conflicting or unnecessary programs. So disconnect external USB drive, mouse, disconnect additional joystick controllers, disconnect multiple monitors connected to PC, unplug the Logitech or Thrustmaster racing wheel, and the task for Afterburner, Riva Tuner, HW Info, Razor Synapse or MSI Dragon Center from Task Manager. Close all of your tabs to free up RAM and then relaunch the game and check. Fix 13 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update. Then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. and then again restart your PC. And once your PC restart, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Dead as Disco game from your PC, then restart your PC, and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Dead as Disco game crashing, startup crash, crashing to desktop, or freezing problem on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.